Sometimes I go to bend over and pick something up and I go, ooh! Ooh! Oh. Wow, nice left hook. Dude. You almost knocked that out of my hand. Nice. Oh! Whoa! Oh! Yeah. Yeah. I love you. I'm coming to give you kisses. You better look out. You better look out. Hey, you got my mask. I'm just going to put that back on.